Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anaí. Welcome back once again, cooking with me. I just want to clarify out there that I am no professional at cooking. This is just one of the things that I've been learning throughout my whole entire life journey. So in today's video, we are just going to be making some meat with potatoes, carne con papas, and con chile, tomate, cebolla. I have to cook quickly because mi viejo, he's on his way, and pues le tengo que hacer de comer. But anyways, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super quick meal because today también we are going to be using our slow cooker. I really do recommend you guys getting one because if you don't, homegirl, you sleeping, girl. You sleeping. Wait, we're gonna go ahead and make some carne with papas, and what the meat that I just pick up is like any taco meat. I already pick it up like that is already in little pieces, so I don't have to do too much. I mean, it's not that I'm lazy, like I'm really not lazy, but you know, sometimes like, I mean, they already sell it like that, so I might as well just use it, right? That I'm gonna be using today is this one right here. This one I picked it up, it's already cut into pieces. It says it's perfect for taco meat. I'm gonna be using this meat and a potato. For the seasoning, I'm just gonna be using this one right here, which is spicy steak seasoning. We're just gonna go ahead and use jalapeno, tomato, and onion. Okay. Okay. Perfect. While my meat is cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel my potato and cut up my vegetables. So I put it down to like 4, which is not too high, not too low. And I'm just gonna cut up my vegetables really quick so I can add that already because it's starting to cook super fast. It's super fast. You can make it like in 10 minutes, I can say. No, like 15. No, like 10 to 15. Just depends how fast you cut and everything. But like I said, I am no professional at all. I just have to cook dinner for my family, and you know, I want to share with you guys. So we are about to add the tomatoes and everything else. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes and everything else. But I could see that it does have like a lot of grease. So what I do is just grab 2 napkins, and then I just put the meat this way. And then just go like that so I can absorb everything else that I don't want. And then I go throw it away. So what I like to do is I like to put everything to the side, like on the meat, and just put all my veggies in the middle so the tomato can let go of all the juice that it has. And then it can start cooking the meat. Then I just cover it for just a little bit. I'm gonna say just like I want to say like a whole 30 seconds to a minute. I want to leave it so the tomato can, you know, release its juices, and then it can start, you know, cooking the meat, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes. I mean, the potatoes. Okay, so just whenever it's done, you just want to go ahead and start mixing everything around, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my potatoes. If you want to add salt, you can. That is up to you. I do not, because I already put salt, and I don't really like a lot of salt on it. So because the potatoes are really hard, and because it doesn't have a lot of grease or water, we're just gonna go ahead and add just a little bit. Okay, so it doesn't have a lot of like water and stuff it can release, so we're just gonna add a little bit. I don't really want to add too much, because you just don't want to overfill it. I just go ahead and put like enough to evaporate and just cook the potatoes, because in reality that is what you need. And if you want it a little bit more toasted, you can leave it in there until however much time you want. Okay, so we are done cooking the meat. I will show you guys when it is done and the overall result. I wish you guys could try it, but no se puede, pero como quiera, I'm gonna let you guys see me eat, and maybe next time you can ask me like some questions, like you do like a maybe mukbang. Is that how it's called? But anyways, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it is pretty much ready. I like to not like burn it too much, because like once you turn off the stove, it keeps on cooking. So but I do just make sure that my potatoes are done, and one way to make sure, you just grab a potato, cut it in half. If it's easy to cut, then they are ready. Your food is ready. Okay, so it's pretty much ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it off, and then once we eat, I will come back on again.
Hey, mommy. You can talk. Bye. You can talk. Goodbye.
Estoy empezado, ya no puedo. Okay, so it is time to do the taste test. I do have some tortillas right here. I decided to go with tortillas harina because I'm not actually that today. Ay, pero ya tengo mucha hambre. Very spicy hot and hot caliente, but it's so delicious. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you the next time. Bye guys.